In today's video, I'm going to teach you how much is Wizz Air check-in fee. We'll walk through the Wizz Air website together so you can quickly find where check-in costs and related details show up while you're exploring fares for your trip. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and a few tips to avoid surprises at the airport. Start on the Wizz Air homepage. On the top navigation, look for the section labeled Wizz and Services and click it. This area brings key travel services into one place, including baggage, seat selection, and check-in options. It's a good habit to confirm that the region, language, and currency at the top of the page match your plans, because fees are shown in the currency selected and can vary by market. If you're comparing costs across trips, keeping this consistent will make the numbers easier to understand. Next, choose Fare Finder. Fare Finder helps you see available routes and dates with the best prices. It's also a straightforward path into the booking flow, where you can open fare details and see what's included and what counts as an extra, such as airport check-in. Remember, airlines often structure fees differently by route and date, so using the official fare and service details tied to a specific flight is the most reliable way to see current check-in costs. Now, select your origin and destination. You can type the city or airport and adjust your travel window. If your dates are flexible, browse a wider range to spot better prices. Fees and included services can change depending on the fare bundle you pick. As you choose locations and dates, keep in mind that Wizz Air usually offers online check-in at no extra charge within a certain time window before departure, while check-in at the airport may involve a fee. The exact amount, if any, will appear once you view the flight service details. Click. Search to load the results. On the results page, open the details for the flight you're considering. Compare the basic fare with bundles like Wizz Go or Wizz Plus. In the fare info or add-on section, look for check-in information. If airport check-in is a paid service on your route, you'll see the price listed there, typically per passenger and per flight segment. Hover over or open the eye icons, or learn more links for the most precise wording. Always review these details right before payment, because fees can change and may differ by route, date, and fare type. That's it. Follow these clicks, read the fare details, and you'll see the exact check-in fee for your specific flight before you book.